Hey guys, I'm Vivek Mantri, an electronics engineer turned into a name neurologist. I'm sure you must have watched my videos earlier also. And today also we are going to go ahead with a very simple and interesting story. But till if you have not subscribed the channel, please go and hit the subscribe button so you get the notifications immediately. So I'm sure you must have heard the story of 18 camels. If not, let us continue. There was a farmer who had three sons, and all these three sons were good for nothing. Farmer was absolutely worried about them. What will happen once I die? Who would take care of them and everything? So he had made a will, and he kept his will. One fine morning, the kids realized that their father is no more. They started crying. After all the cremation process and everything, they came back home and they found a envelope in which the will was mentioned. The will was mentioned in such a way that, guys, kids, I have nothing left for you, but I have 17 camels, which I want you to equally distribute amongst each other in the format which I have given. The eldest son will get one half of the total camel. The middle son will get one third of the total camels, and the youngest son will get one ninth of the total camel. अब इन लोगों को these guys, these kids, his children, they couldn't understand what the hell their father has written. They were absolutely mad that what has been written by their dad. Again, they started fighting. There was no option for them. Started struggling, started fighting that how to divide these 17 camels equally in the way the dad has said. So they went to a wise man in the town. The wise man, just like you are the wise person who is listening to the story, they went to the wise man, and the wise man saw that envelope. And what he did is, he told them that, yes, I'll help you out 100%. You have to pay my whatever fees it is, you have to pay my fees. But I'll help you out to get the solution 100%. And he took his camel along with them. So now, initially there were 17 camels. This guy took his 18th camel with him. And now there were total 18 camels. So now the life became easy. What this man did is, the eldest son, he got one half of the 18, that is 9. Then the middle son got one third of 18 because it was mentioned as total camels. So total camel 18 the because the new camel was added. So one half of 18 was 9. Then one third of 18 was 6. And one ninth of 18 is 2. So 9 plus 6, 15, plus 2, 17. So these 17 camels were equally distributed. This wise man took away his camel, and also he got his fees. So, guys, the story is that even you can be that wise man. Even you can be a support system. You can also be the 18th camel for the people who are already struggling in their life. You can make their life easy, whether it is relationship, whether it is health, whether it is wealth, whatever it is. With help of numerology, you can make their life easy. You can make it easy. You can make a cakewalk for them. At least you can guide them that what exactly you can do. You can be that 18th camel to help them and make their life easy. And for that, we are coming up with a weekend numerology course, weekend, because most of the times you all are busy, whether you're a housewife, whether you're a working professional, whatever it is. So we are coming up with a second batch of weekend numerology, which is starting on 15th of January 2022. And this will be Saturday, Sunday, total 10 weekends batch. And I guarantee you that you will be able to learn numerology in such a way that you will be adding value to the life of people. We'll be discussing about the medical aspects of numerology. We'll be discussing about the professional aspects of numerology. We'll be discussing about the business numerology right from the scratch, along with the samples. And I mean it. It will be done along with the samples. Plus, on the top of it, we'll be also working out on your social media presence. Because just learning any skill You can learn the skills from anyone. If there are n number of people who are teaching the course, you are welcome to join those courses also. But the most important thing is you should know how to get the clients. You should know how to convince the clients. You should know how to promote yourself on social media. We'll be covering those aspects for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, how exactly you should go live, what exactly you should do, how you should convince, what exactly you should put in the report, so that you are able to establish yourself as a brand and you become that 18th camel. You become that 18th camel to help people to solve their problems and also earn a good amount of name and fame along with a good amount of money. So guys, if you're looking out for an alternative profession, if you're looking out for an add-on profession, definitely this is a good opportunity, whether you're a housewife, whether you're a practicing numerologist, whether you in whatever you have learned earlier, irrespective of your existing profession, you can start from the scratch. My contact number is 855-109-9009. You can WhatsApp me on this number and then we can take it further for discussions. The course is starting on 15th of January 2022. So guys, what are you waiting for? You can be that 18th camel and make someone's life easy. Thank you.